Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Ayra Starr 21. Alright, this is a pretty new song here from Ayra, so we're gonna look at this 4-chord song with a capo set on the 1st fret. So if you wanna learn this, very easy to play on guitar. We're gonna look at the chords starting with F major 7. So that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E minor 7 next. You play all strings open besides from the 2nd fret A string. You incorporate all strings there and it goes like this, E minor 7. We have then the C major 7. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be a little tricky. It's a bar chord. It's an A sharp major 7. So you put your finger there on the 1st fret and bar 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 3rd on B. So that's the chord progression throughout the song, and we have the F major 7 starting point. We have 2 different ways of strum here, so we're gonna look at the one first, which with the beat, which focus more on the rhythm. So it goes. So it will be 3 downs, then a clap, and then 2 downs. So 3 downs, clap, 2 downs. That is 1 round. A couple of rounds of it will be. Alright, and you're gonna play 2 of these strumming rounds per chord in the same order we learned them. So F major, E minor, C major, and D sharp major. It goes like this. You could also replace this clap with another down. That will be then 6 downs as a strumming pattern 1 round. And then I try to separate that 4th down that you replaced the clap with. I try to play that one more on the higher string. So all the other downs I try to play more in the mid bass area. It's a little bit harder when it comes to the F major since that is just 4 strings, but when you have the full chords, the E minor for instance, it will be like this. So 1, 2, 3, and then down on the high strings and then back to the bass strings on the last 2. So that. You follow the same principle there, 2 string rounds per chord from beginning till the very end, and that covers the song 21. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Feel free to support me here. Until next time, play tuned.